Hi, I'm doing the keratin treatment by Nutri Amazon list for my hair, and I wasn't too sure how it was going to come out, what was going to happen, and if you keep watching, you'll see the results I got. I was totally amazed. This is the first step, and then that's the second step. And that's the third step. It comes with instructions and gloves. And this is my hair, dirty, not washed. Okay, I washed it, and now I'm towel drying it. It says to blow dry. This is the first blow dry now. I washed it. I didn't put any grease or anything in it. Now it's totally blow dried. It had to be blow dried on cool the first time. So it took a little while, but not too long to dry. Yes, this is what my hair looks like with no products in it at all. You don't want to put any products in because you want the keratin to adhere to your hair as much as possible. And if you have products in it, it'll block the cuticle where you want the keratin to fuse. Okay, I parted my hair into four sections. I was trying to do it without needing my glasses, but that didn't work so good because I had to read the instructions over and over and over. By the end of it, I knew them by heart. So this is the fourth part I'm making here. And make a note, my hair is still, I want to say purple. It was supposed to be rose gold, but it's not. The color of my hair here, I used the Guy Tang hair dye, and it was supposed to be rose gold, but it took on most of the violet. Anyway, you'll see why I'm talking about that later. Now, here is the comb, it's called. It's called the comb. No. It's called the brush, not the comb. It's called the brush. I don't know why they call it that, but they do. So I put the gloves on just in case it irritates my hands or whatever reason. When there's gloves that come with something, I always use them. All right, there's the brush, and I put it in a container so I can apply it easier with a hair dye comb, brush, whatever. Now, according to the directions, you apply it in your hair in fourths, I guess, because it's easier to get every single hair if you apply it this way. And I did find it easier to do it this way, and it made sure I put equal amounts on the four parts of my hair, so not one part got more than another. Just brushing it on. It was pretty easy. I thought I was going to need help, but I didn't. Okay, now that it's all the way on my hair, I clipped it up and I'm going to leave it in for 40 minutes. Minute timer. Okay, after 40 minutes, while the product is still in my hair, I'm going to blow dry it dry. Okay, it's almost there. Now, after it's all the way dry, I'm gonna flat iron it with 8 to 10 passes from the root to the middle of the hair, and then 3 to 4 passes on the ends of the hair. Now that the hair is done flat ironing, I was like, wow, this is amazing. This stuff is so good. Then, after all that work, you have to wash your hair again. So, I washed it. And this time, you blow dry on hot. I accidentally left the straightening iron on top of its own wire. It melted all over the hot plates. Yeah. So after you blow dry, you have to flat iron again. It's very, very time consuming, but it's worth it. And as you could see, after I rinsed the product out, it also rinsed out my color. So this is my natural hair color. I know, it's ghastly. And this is how it looked when it was all the way finished. Amazing, huh? Wow, I couldn't believe it. I loved it. I'm going to do it again in a year or two. Thanks for watching.